Hi, this is the final video. I'm going to show you how to use the Buffer app to build a schedule of your posts. So we found all this content, it's been converted into magic links. This will enable you to build a nice schedule across multiple social media accounts. So sign up at bufferapp.com, which I've done. You don't need to give a credit card or anything. The only time you'd want to pay with Buffer is to upgrade your account to post to multiple Facebook pages, multiple Twitter pages, etc. Now, if you only got one account on each, it's fine. So you sign up, you log in, and you're presented with this screen. The first thing you need to do is connect your profiles. It's really easy to do. Let's connect to Twitter one. So enter your login details, authorize the app. Okay, that's connected. You can see it's connected. Let's connect another one. We'll do a Facebook page. I was testing this before. An important thing, when you get your permissions, when Facebook or Buffer asks for the permissions, make sure you allow the post to be seen by the public, not just your friends, because you want the public to see your posts. So you click on the page. Because I've done this previously, we're not seeing the permissions, but that's very important to remember. Okay, so now Facebook is connected as well as Twitter. Let's just add a Google Plus. Next page. Allow the permissions. My mouse is a bit sticky. Sometimes I seem to have to press it about 3 times. You can set up a different schedule for each of your accounts. In other words, these are the time that the posts will get made. So for Wikineco, I've set this up. You've got 2 there, 2 times. For Google Plus, for Facebook, it's the same time. Sorry, different times. So you can have them all the same. It's up to you. You can mix and match. You can have multiple days. So multiple times across the day. You just add new ones or remove them. Okay. What you need to do as well, make sure your time zone's correct. Okay, depending on where you live in the world. Now, if you go to My Account, you then need to install a browser extension. Now, I've installed that already. It's up there. I'm in Firefox. You basically click on it, and it will give you the option to install it. Okay. You can install that in Firefox, and you can install it in Chrome if you prefer. So let's go to content and make a post. Now at the moment, only the Twitter, it's posted to Twitter by default, but you can turn those on. You can turn these on by clicking on the plus, so they're all turned on now. So every time I make a post, just go back, they're all highlighted. Now if you didn't want to post to Google Plus for some reason, you can just unhighlight it when you're making that post. So now if you remember, we extracted and converted lots of URLs into magic URLs. So we've got the original post there, and then the new magic URL. So to create a schedule, highlight the original URL, open that up. The reason I'm doing this is I want to pull an image, because images get much more attention. So here's a nice image. You can either share it there using Buffer, or you can just right click it using Buffer. So buffer this image. It'll take you back to Buffer. So it'll pull in some text for you. Now what you need to do is just go back, get the new magic URL, and replace this HTTP with the new magic URL. And we're ready to go. Now you can add it to the queue, which will join the schedule, so to speak. You can put it to the top of the queue. You could share it now, but if you want to share it now, you would have done that using the curation app. Or you can schedule it for a specific date and time. But I'm just going to add it to the queue. Okay, so I click add to queue. That's now been added. You go back to Buffer, you'll see it's in the queue. So look at the queue, look at the queue for Twitter. There it is. It's going at 11:54, so that's what the schedule is for Twitter. Facebook is going at 5:30. Google Plus is going at 12:01. Okay, I've opened up my next news item. Remember, this is the original item because that's where the image is. So we need to buffer the image. Okay, go back, grab the magic URL, replace that. What I'm doing now, I'm just doing Control-C to copy it, and then Control-V to paste it. I haven't done a very good job there, I look at it. Let's just get rid of that. Control-V to paste it. That should be turning that into a buffer link. Not sure why it's not doing that. Okay, it's done it. Let's just do it again. Control-V, and it's done it. So add that to the queue. Okay, that's in the queue. I'll look at the queue now, they're both there. And one good thing you can do, if you wanted to, you can just move these around. Okay, you can just drag and drop. The other thing you can do, I don't know why you'd want to do it necessarily, but you can drag and drop these around as well. So hopefully you'll agree it's a really easy app to use, it's free, it'll enable you to schedule a lot of posts using the magic URLs that's being created. Okay, thanks for your attention. Look at all these videos.